Welcome back! In this video you're going to learn how to transform iOS images to the image format that OpenCV uses for its algorithms. I'm going to assume that you followed the instructions on the video OpenCV 3 with Swift in iOS. If you haven't, stop now and follow the steps on that video first. If you followed the instructions on the previous video, you will have created a wrapper class for OpenCV functions and will have a file named opencvwrapper.h where you define the interface of the wrapper class with a function that returns a string with the OpenCV version. You also have a file named opencvwrapper.mm where you implemented the interface declared on the h file. It is important to note that inside this file you can use C++ and therefore you can call OpenCV functions within this class. Then you will have a bridging header where you have imported the classes that you want to expose to Swift. You also have a simple user interface with a label that will show the OpenCV version when the app is loaded. In this video you will extend the user interface to add an image and a button. When you press the button, the image will be transformed to grayscale. But for this to happen, you will convert the UI image to CV matte. Then apply the color transformation using OpenCV functions, and then convert the CV matte image to a UI image again. First, you are going to extend the interface of OpenCV Wrapper to add a function named makeGrayFromImage. It will receive a UI image as a parameter and return another UI image. Don't forget to import the uikit/uikit.h file to have access to the UI image declarations. Then add the implementation of the function you just declared. First, you will transform the UI image to CV matte. For that, create a new CV matte and call it ImageMatte. Import the file opencv2/imgcodecs/ios.h where you have the OpenCV convenience function UI image to matte. That will do the transformation for you. Give it the image and the image matte. If the image matte has only one channel, it means that it is already in grayscale, so we just return the original UI image that you have received as a parameter. Otherwise, you will convert it to grayscale using the OpenCV function convertColor. Create a CV matte named GrayMatte that will hold the grayscale representation of ImageMatte. Call convertColor with ImageMatte, GrayMatte, and the code CV_BGR to gray. Last thing you need to do here is to transfer the GrayMatte to UI image and return it. Next, open the main storyboard. Move the label to the bottom of the screen. Add a button with the text to grayscale. Then add an image to the project. I just happen to have a picture of our friend Lena. Just add your image to the project assets. Add an image view in the center of the screen and select the image you just added. For mode, select Aspect Fit and give it whatever constraints it needs to be properly displayed. You probably know better than I how to do this. Next, create an outlet for the image by control dragging it to the code of the view controller. Also, create an action for the button to grayscale and name it to grayscale button touched. Inside this action, you can add the call to the function opencvwrapper.makeGrayFromImage to transform the image to grayscale. That's it! Execute your app, touch the button to grayscale on the screen, and there you go! Now you know how to transform UI images into CV matte objects to work them with OpenCV. Enjoy! And as always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and share for more OpenCV moments.